100 pack of premium nasal aspirator hygiene filters by Hank Nose is one of the best sellers among baby nasal aspirators products. Compatible and efficient, ideal for replacing the disposable filters of nose-free nasal aspirator. These premium nasal aspirator filters can heavily prevent bacterial and mucus transfer. Hygienic and safe, made with high-quality hygienic foam, BPA-free, latex-free, and without phthalates and other toxins that could be harmful to you or your baby. Easy cleanup. Baby snot will be blocked by these hygienic filter, so you just simply need to change with a new one, then you'll be back to snot sucking in no time. 100% money back guarantee. Customer service is the manufacturer's job number one after the sale. If you experience any issues, the manufacturer offer a complete no questions asked money back guarantee. Replacement hygienic filters, 100 count. Replacement hygienic filters, 100 count.